Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel all about civil, and today is my very first video on YouTube, and I am going to teach you how to solve numericals based on rise and fall method of leveling in a very simple language. So please watch video till end, and without delay let's get started. So here is the example and you have to make table like this. For then I will read the example. The following staff reading were observed successively with a level. The instrument having been moved after third, sixth and eighth reading, and readings are given, and enter above readings in a page of level book and calculate RLs of all the points. If the first reading was taken with a staff held on bending moment of 135.75 meter, then what is given here, that instrument is moved after third, sixth and eighth reading. Then we will mark the third reading, then sixth reading and then eighth reading. Okay, then the very first reading is put up in the back side. So we will put the first reading in back side, that is 2.225. Okay, and the next reading will be, that is 1.605, will be put up in the intermediate side, that is IS. So we will put in IS, and the instrument is moved at third station, then we will put in foresight, that is 0.995, and the very next reading after this will put up in the back side. Okay, and then the next reading will be in the IS, that is 2.865, and instrument is moved again, then we will put this in foresight, and the very next in the back side, then this is again in foresight, and this is in back side, and the last reading is always put in the foresight, so we will put this in foresight, that is 2.685. So we have put up all the readings. So now what we will have to done, we have to take difference of these two, that is back side minus intermediate side. 2.225 minus 1.605, that is 0.62, and it is positive, that's why we have to put up in rise. If reading is positive then in rise, and if negative then we have to put in fall. So we will put this in rise, 0.62. Then we will do the same, these two and these two, we have to take differences of this and put in the according in the rise and the fall. Okay, so I have put up the all the readings in rise and fall. Now what we have given, that first RL is given to us, that is 135.75. so we will put this, and remark will be benchmark. First RL is always at benchmark. Now how we will calculate the next RLs, we have to take this, means we have to add this all, and in this way we will get the next RL. If the rise then we will add, and if it will be fall then we will subtract it. So we have to calculate all the RLs. We will again add because it is rise, 0.98, then it is fall, that's why we have to subtract it. Then again next will be, we will add, then again it is fall, then we have to subtract it, 137.805 minus 1.385. Then again have to subtract, that comes out to be 134.78, and this is our last RL. We will put this in remark. Okay, so we have done. Then what we have to do now, we have to take summations of this all, that is summation BS, then summation FS, summation base, summation rise and fall. We have to take summation of all this. Then we will take the summation BS. I have calculated the values, all the values, summation BS, summation FS, summation rise and summation fall. So what we have to do now, we have to take check. Then how the check is taken, summation of BS minus summation of FS equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall equal to last RL minus first RL. So we will put the values, all the values, minus 6.93 equal to summation of rise is 2.83, minus will be plus and 3.8 equal to last RL is 134.78 and first RL is 135.75. Then we will calculate it. 5.96 minus 6.93, it comes out to be minus 0.97. Then it comes out 6.63. okay, and last RL minus first RL, it comes minus 0.97. It is minus 0.97. I think here is something wrong. Okay, here you have not to do plus, here is minus. You can see it is now minus 0.97. sorry, it's my mistake. So now the check is also correct, so our example is also correct. Okay then. So guys, if you find today's video was helpful for you, then please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you want more such videos, then please let me know in comment box on which topic you want the video. So we'll meet in next video. Bye.